A dramatic collision occurred in the Bahamas on December 11, involving the $13 million luxury superyacht Aurora and the colossal $1.2 billion cruise liner Allure of the seas. This unexpected encounter was caught on camera, and the footage has gone viral, offering a glimpse into the chaos that unfolded when a 121-foot pocket explorer crashed into the massive Royal Caribbean ship. The crash, which was witnessed by passengers aboard the Allure, has become one of the most talked-about maritime incidents in recent days. The incident took place in Nassau, where the Allure of the Seas, a titan of the cruise industry, had dropped anchor for a scheduled stop during a 4-day voyage. At the time, Aurora, a relatively compact luxury vessel, was making its way toward the dock. However, something went terribly wrong. It's believed to have been a mechanical malfunction or some sort of navigational issue that caused Aurora to veer off course. The result? The sleek superyacht smashed into the port side of the massive cruise liner, causing visible damage to both vessels. The collision caused Aurora to scrape along the cruise liner's side before eventually unhooking itself from the ship. As the impact occurred, one of Aurora's antenna masts hit the underside of a lifeboat on Allure of the Seas, knocking off one of its radar domes. The upper portion of the mast also fell onto the cruise ship's jacuzzi sun deck, leaving some visible damage. Despite the force of the collision, the Allure of the Seas continued its journey without needing immediate repairs, which speaks to the ship's incredible durability. Meanwhile, Aurora, the pocket explorer, wasn't as fortunate. The smaller yacht, built by US-based Nordhavn, suffered more significant damage. Unlike the steel hull of the Allure of the Seas, Aurora's hull and superstructure are made of fiberglass, which while providing faster speeds and better fuel efficiency, is more vulnerable to damage in a collision. The damages to Aurora are reportedly much harder to repair compared to the Allure's steel framework. To add a bit of drama to the moment, one of the crew members on Aurora was seen frantically running across the deck and tossing fenders in an attempt to reduce the impact of the collision. However, the fenders likely didn't do much, given the scale of the incident. Fortunately, despite the chaos, there were no injuries reported on either vessel. Aurora, originally commissioned by business tycoon Bob Conconi, is a beautiful vessel with a sleek, modern design. It boasts a full wet bar, luxurious social spaces, a jacuzzi, and the ability to accommodate 10 guests across 5 cabins. Powered by twin MTU diesel engines, Aurora can cruise at 9 knots and has an impressive range of 5,500 nautical miles, making it the perfect vessel for long-distance exploration. It's often referred to as a pocket explorer because it's a compact version of a superyacht, offering the same luxury and adventure capabilities as its larger counterparts but in a more manageable size. On the other hand, Allure of the Seas is a colossal marvel of maritime engineering. Launched in 2009 and priced at a staggering $1.2 billion, it was once the largest cruise ship in the world, holding that title until 2015. At 362 meters long, it can accommodate up to 6,780 passengers and crew across 18 decks. The ship offers numerous dining, entertainment, and recreational options, including a rock climbing wall, a flow rider surfing simulator, and even a carousel. The sheer scale of the Allure of the Seas made it almost impervious to the relatively minor damage caused by the collision with Aurora. In terms of damages, the full extent of the impact remains unclear. The Allure of the Seas didn't suffer any major structural damage, but Aurora's fiberglass hull is another story. Repairing such damage on a vessel of that size and material is a costly and time-consuming process. As of now, Aurora remains in the Bahamas, with its owners likely facing hefty repair bills. In contrast, Allure of the Seas continued its journey, undeterred by the incident. This bizarre incident serves as a reminder of just how unpredictable things can get at sea, even when navigating relatively calm waters. It's also a testament to the strength and resilience of these modern ships, which can withstand seemingly unimaginable impacts.